Tangent radius property, practice number 7. What is the length of the radius? The radius is the center of the circle to any point touching the circle. So point O to point D will be our radius. Point F to point E is tangent to the circle. And the point of tangency, or the point at which this tangent line touches the circle, will be point D. F to E is 26 centimeters. And when a radius touches a tangent at a point of tangency, the angle will always be 90 degrees. We now need to know the distance between point D and point E. To solve this, we'll take the whole length, which is point F to point E, which is 26 centimeters, and we'll subtract point F to point D, which is 11 centimeters. So DE equals 26 minus 11, and therefore DE is going to equal 15 centimeters. And when we know two sides in a right-angled triangle, we can solve for the third side using Pythagorean theorem. Pythagorean theorem is a squared plus b squared equals c squared. Our c will be the line opposite of the right angle, so our c will be 20 centimeters. We'll call our unknown side a. So a squared plus 15 squared equals 20 squared. 15 squared is 225, and 20 squared will be 400. To remove the 225 from this side, we'll have to subtract 225, which means we have to subtract 225 from the other side as well. The plus 225 and minus 225 will cancel, leaving us with a squared. And 400 minus 225 equals 175. We have to isolate the a, so we'll have to take the square root of a squared, which means we take the square root of 175 as well. The squared and square root will cancel, leaving us with a. And now to find the square root of 175, we have to make sure we give the answer to the nearest hundredth. So the square root of 175 to the nearest hundredth will be 13.23. So a is equal to 13.23 centimeters. So the length of the radius is 13.23 centimeters.